Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making blueberry corn muffins. Corn, we've talked about this before, is aplenty. It is the fall time here on the East Coast, and there's corn in everything. Well, there's pumpkin and everything too, but we're talking about corn. This is a great way to use cornbread, that flavor that comes through with the cornmeal, and add some blueberries into it. Can make these into muffins. That's what we're gonna do using fresh blueberries, but you can also use frozen blueberries, and in which case, don't thaw them, just toss them right in as is, and they will be just fine. This recipe inspired this song, so thanks for the song request. I see it now. So much corn, it's everywhere, and we have got this recipe to fill for our blueberry muffin destiny. Blueberry muffin destiny. Well, this has corn in it too, so it's really fulfilling the blueberry and the corn destiny. Let's do this. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your muffin pan ready to go. Grease it. I sprayed it with a lot of spray, so you could do that too. You could also use cupcake wrappers if that's what you want to do also. Cornmeal, flour, lemon zest, optional, but it's going to add a lot of extra nice flavor to the muffins. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, whisk together. Melted butter, cool down slightly. Milk, egg, sugar, whisk until smooth. Add in your dry ingredients. Whisk until just combined. Let your batter sit for 10 minutes. Again, this will allow that flour to absorb the sugar. All the good stuff is going to happen, so just let it sit 10 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes are up. You see that there are some air pockets in here. That's exactly what we want. Go ahead and add your blueberries, either frozen or fresh. Fold in. Scoop out your muffin dough. Again, see the air pockets? Yay. Scoop it out, and we're going to put it in each of the muffin tin locations. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. They're looking nice and golden brown on top. Let's check them with a toothpick. That is pretty clean. Let's take them out. Let them rest for about 5 minutes, then we'll turn them out to cool. Well, not completely, because we're gonna eat them warm, let's be real. Gently do this. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yay. Okay, great. Yay. All right. Don't these look fabulous? They are hot still. Gonna let them cool a little more, and then we're gonna eat them. Yum, yum. Look at these blueberry corn muffins. Can definitely see those blueberries popping through in a big way. Let's give it a taste. Let's get some of the blueberries and some of the muffin by itself. Let's give it a try. This is a great corn muffin. I definitely taste the corn first, but the blueberry adds some extra flavor to it, which I never really would have thought of. And I will definitely be making blueberry muffins like this in the future, and or making corn muffins with the blueberries, whichever way you think about it. These are really, really great. Yum. If I can make these blueberry corn muffins for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram for so much more.